So hello, welcome back to another video of OVG's Biology, and this video is a continuation video of my previous video of enzyme inhibition. In the previous video I have discussed about the irreversible inhibition, and I have also discussed about one type of reversible inhibition, that is the competitive inhibition. And in this video I am going to discuss about another type of reversible inhibition, that is the uncompetitive inhibition. In case of competitive inhibition, we have seen that the inhibitor is binding to the active site of the enzyme. But here, in case of uncompetitive inhibition, the inhibitor binds to the ES complex, that is the enzyme substrate complex, and the inhibitor has no affinity for the enzyme itself. The scheme for uncompetitive inhibition can be described as this. Here I or inhibitor is binding to ES complex and is forming enzyme substrate inhibitor complex, that is the ESI. Now let's derive the Michaelis-Menten equation for uncompetitive inhibition. As we all know that the velocity of the reaction V equals to dP dt equals to K2 ES, and we know that Km equals to E into S by ES. As if we consider the rate limiting nature of K2, then K1 will be equal to Km. So as Km equals to E into S by ES, we can write ES equals to E into S by Km. And similarly, Ki equals to Es into I by ESI, or we can write ESI equals to Es into I by Ki. And now in place of Es, if we write Es by Km, then the equation will be ESI equals to E into S into I by Ki into Km. Now we know that E total equals to E plus Es plus ESI, and in place of Es we can write E into S by Km, and in place of ESI we can write E into S into I by Km into Ki. Or we can write E total equals to E into 1 plus S by Km plus S into I by Km into Ki. Or we can write E equals to E total by 1 plus S by Km plus S into I by Km into Ki. As I have told earlier, Km equals to E into S by Es, or Es equals to E into S by Km. So in place of E we can write the value which I have derived earlier. Then the equation will be Es equals to S by Km into E total by 1 plus S by Km plus S into I by Km into Ki. Now as we know that V equals to K2 into Es, then we can write this, that is V equals to K2S E total by Km into 1 plus S by Km plus S into I by Km into Ki. Or we can write Kv equals to K2 E total S by Km plus S into I by Ki. If we take S as common, then we can write V equals to K2 E total S by Km plus S into 1 plus I by Ki. Now if we divide both the numerator and denominator by 1 plus I by Ki, then the equation will be like this. Now if we consider K2 E total as Vm and 1 plus I by Ki equals to alpha, then the equation will be V equals to Vm by alpha into S by Km by alpha plus S, where alpha equals to 1 plus I by Ki. And now we can write the equation as V uncompetitive equals to Vm uncompetitive into S by Km uncompetitive plus S. So as here Vm and Km both are divided by alpha, as a result Km will be decreased and Vm will also be decreased. As a result, overall rate of the reaction will be decreased. Now let's plot the double reciprocal plot or the Lineweaver-Burk plot for this Michaelis-Menten equation of uncompetitive inhibition. We have derived that V uncompetitive equals to Vm by alpha into S by Km by alpha plus S. So if we take the reciprocal of this equation, then we will get this, or 1 by V uncompetitive equals to Km by alpha by Vm by alpha into S plus S by Vm by alpha into S. Now the alpha and alpha will be cancelled out, and this S and S will be cancelled out. So we will get the equation as 1 by V uncompetitive equals to Km by Vm into S plus alpha by Vm, or we can write this equation as this, and this will be the equation like the straight line, that is y equals to mx plus c. Now let's plot 1 by V uncompetitive in the y-axis and 1 by S in the x-axis. For general case, without no inhibition, the straight line will be like this, which have the slope Km by Vm and the y-intercept as 1 by Vm and the x-intercept as minus 1 by Km. Now the straight line for uncompetitive inhibition will be like this, which has the similar slope as the straight line, that is Km by Vm, and the x-intercept will be minus alpha by Km and the y-intercept will be alpha by Vm. For this straight line, I equals to 0 as there is no inhibition, but for this straight line, I is greater than 0 as there is presence of uncompetitive inhibitor. So I have discussed about uncompetitive inhibition. I have derived the Michaelis-Menten equation for uncompetitive inhibition, and I have also plotted the Lineweaver-Burk plot or the double reciprocal plot for uncompetitive inhibition. So thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and share the video, and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.